plus square and square root cancel, it becomes what? 2. Now you cannot add this one, you can add with this one. Rational, irrational, with irrational only it can be added. Understanding? So how come here 6? Okay, both are square root. In the last exercise we'll do these things again in detail. Both are square root of 3. Not last exercise, after this one more exercise we have, there we'll do, you'll understand better. We have square root of 3 multiplied square root of 2. Then it becomes square root of 3, 2 is 6. But addition we cannot do. Square root of 3 plus square root of 2. I cannot write square root of 5. This is not correct. Okay, it has to be left as it is only. But multiplication, if the root are same, if the word root both are square root, that means inside part I can multiply or I can divide also if there is a division. Okay, that's why I can write. But 2 cannot go inside. Remember. Now this 3 and 2 you cannot add because 2 is multiplied with root 6. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 root 6. 3 plus 2 because 3 is rational and 2 is also rational. Rational and rational you can combine. You cannot combine. This is rational but root 6 is there. The whole thing becomes irrational. You cannot combine rational with rational. 3 plus 2, 5. Plus this should be left as it is. Okay, so this is what? It is rational or irrational? This whole thing. 5 is rational added with this is rational multiplied with what? Irrational. Means if there is any irrational existing, simply it is what? Irrational. Okay, if you find out any irrational in the term, that is the whole thing becomes irrational. Is it clear? Understood? You can just pause the video and note it down. Okay, check sub number 6. Sub number 6, by looking, can you tell me whether it's rational or irrational? Yeah? Sub number 6, it is irrational. Why? Because root 6 cannot come out of the root. So it is directly irrational. So go to number B. Number B. Now you tell me root over, see root is for both, root over 9 by 27. Okay, somehow 9 square root is 3 and or I can write like this, let me write down like this first, 3 square, root can go both in the numerator and denominator like this, but 27 what is the factor? 3, 9 and 3, 3 is 3 square into 3. Now 3 square can come out of the root, here also 3 square can come out of the root but one more 3 is left. This 3 you can cancel. Answer is 1 by root 3. Rational or irrational? It is irrational. Remember, there is a root. So next up number 2. Rational or irrational? It is irrational. Oh, no. Sub number 2 is minus. Okay, I'll just rub this part. Square root of 81. Minus square root of 81. 81 is a perfect square. It can come out of the root. Minus 9 is the answer because 9 square is 81. So it is a rational number. Sub number 3, 2 to 5. 2 to 5 is what square? Tell me. I already gave you to remember. Square root of 2 to 5. Square root of 2 to 5 is 15. Okay. So it is rational or irrational? Rational. Next, sub number C you check. Sub number C you check. Sub number C you check. C, sub number 1. 2.13133133 like this it continues. Check by looking it is rational or irrational. It looks like rational, but it's not rational. See, 1333 means is there any repetition? No, there is no repetition. Repetition means same, no? Same. If you have 1 3, that is called repetition. But here 1 3, that is not called repetition. Okay, so this is what it is. It is non-terminating and non-repeating. So it is what? Rational or irrational? irrational. Okay? Understood no now? Sub number 2. Sub number 2 is what? 4.2576. It stops. Okay? So that is rational. Rational means terminating is also rational. Now you check next sub number 3. 5.0400400004. Clearly it is irrational. Clear no? Why? Why it is irrational? Because 04004 nothing is repeating. Remember, don't see that it's repeating. It's not repeating. Repeating means same. Sub number 5 you check. Sub number 6 you check. Okay, 4 I mean 4. 2.34646. Is it terminating? Non-terminating, repeating? What is the case here? Check very carefully. 46 is repeating, no? So it is what? Non-terminating but repeating. So that comes under rational. So that is rational number. Okay? So have understood, no? So don't think that this type of numbers are what? Rational. Don't think that it's repeating. No. 1 3 1 3 3 1 3 3 3. What is repeating here? Don't say that 3 is repeating. It's not that. 3 is not repeating. 3 is repeating means I should have 3 3 3 3 like that. Suppose this 1 is not there, then I can understand that okay, 3 is repeating. But here group of numbers, no? They are group 1 3 1 3 3 3. If I have 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3, I can say that it is repeating. So that is rational. Okay? Alright then. You can practice up to here, you can note it down. Okay? We'll see in the next class again. Thank you.